Welcome to CDM Software Solutions, your global logistics software provider. Today, I'm going to guide you through a Japan AHR shipment filing. At the CDM Web Freight login page, enter your user ID and password, then click Login. Once logged in, you'll see the CDM Web Freight dashboard. Click Ocean Shipments to access the Ocean Freight module. At the Ocean Shipment list screen, click New Shipment located in upper left part of screen to create a new Ocean Freight record. At the new Ocean Shipment screen, select Export in the Shipment Mode field and leave all other fields blank, then click Continue. This will bring you to the new Ocean Shipment screen. The following fields are required: Shipment Number, this field can be automatically assigned by the system, BOL type, MBL, HBL, shipper information, consignee information, notify party information, ocean carrier SCAC, vessel, voyage, place of receipt, port of loading, ETD, port of discharge, and ETA. Once all data entry fields are entered, click Save. Once the ocean shipment has been created, you'll notice icons now appear at the top of the screen. Click the container icon to add the container details. The following fields are required: container number, container size, seal number, quantity, quantity unit of measure, Schedule B HTS number, commodity description, kilograms and cubic meters. Once all container details are entered, click Save. If you need to add another container, simply enter container details in the current screen. You'll notice the commodity value has been preloaded from previous container. If there are no additional containers, click Shipment Details to return to Ocean Shipment screen. At the Ocean Shipment screen, click File AHR to send the ocean shipment to Japan Customs. The system will validate the data entry and list any errors. Here you'll see I forgot to enter the Notify Party. I will proceed to update the Notify Party details, which may be the same details as the consignee, then click Save. Now that I've entered all the required information, I will click File AHR. If filing for the first time, the transaction type must be original. If the filing date is after the ETD, then click the checkbox for late filing. If you're updating the AHR filing and want to transmit the file AHR as original, click the checkbox for Send as Original to Japan Customs. Click Continue to send data to Japan Customs. The system will display a transmission confirmation notification. CDM's network will process and transmit the ocean shipment information to Japan Customs. Then Japan Customs will send an acceptance or rejection response. This process usually takes 2 to 15 minutes. To check the status of the Japan AHR filing, return to the Ocean Shipment List screen and click the Outbox icon in the Status column. Shipment events will display the response from Japan Customs. For more information, please visit us at www.cdmsoft.com.